cells are the two type. One is that prokaryote, another is that eukaryote. The first of all, we are going to be discuss about the prokaryotes. Prokaryote, the word come from the Greek word the pro, it means primitive, and karyote, it means nucleus. Those organisms have the primitive and incomplete nucleus are the prokaryotic cell, and those organisms have this cell is called prokaryotic organism. Like the bacteria, mycoplasma, it is also called the ppl pleuropneumonia like organism, archaebacteria and cyanobacteria. The prokaryotic cell lack the nuclear membrane around the genetic material. It is that have the information about the which type of protein is going to be synthesized, and all the processes of the cell is going to be controlled by this material, and the DNA is present in the prokaryotic organism. That is the full form of DNA is the deoxyribonucleic acid. It is called the hereditary materials that transferred from one cell to another cell. Undefined nuclear region in the cytoplasm is called nucleate. So membrane bounded cell organelles is also absent in prokaryotes except the ribosome. Like that mitochondria, chloroplast, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome, all these cell organelles is absent in the prokaryotes, and it contains the one chromosome. On the other hand, eukaryotes is going to be composed of the two words. It means true, karyon it means nucleus. So those organisms have the well developed nucleus are called the eukaryotic cell, and the organism is called eukaryotic organism. So these cells contain the membrane bounded nuclei and all the cell organelles such as the mitochondria, chloroplast, all that the cell organelles is present inside this. So such cells are found in that unicellular, like that amoeba, paramecium, euglena. These are the eukaryotic organisms. So multicellular organisms, plant and animals. So it contains more than one chromosome. The cell division occur by the mitotic or meiotic division. So let's see what is mitotic division. When one mother cell divided into two daughter cells that have the same chromosome number as compared to mother is called mitotic cell division. It is going to takes place of the somatic cell of body of organism. So meiotic division, when one mother cell divided into four daughter cells that having the half of chromosome number as compared to mother cell is called mitotic division. This division is going to takes place in the generative cell of organism. So in prokaryote, cell division takes place by the fission or budding. No mitosis is going to take place, so that type of the division is called amitosis, because chromosome is not going to be the equally distributed in the prokaryotic organism.